Creating a table of contents and inserting a bar graph. First, in the creating of table of contents, click where you want to insert the table of contents. On the Reference tab, in the Table of Contents group, click the Table of Contents and then choose the style that you want. Inserting a bar graph. First, click where you want to insert your graph. On the Insert tab in the illustration, click the chart. Choose your templates. Then click OK. In the Excel, replace the sample data by clicking a cell our worksheet. Typing a data that you want. You can also replace the sample access label in the column A and the legend entry name row 1. In Excel, click the Microsoft button and click Save As. In the Save As dialog box, the Save in list, select the folder or the drive that you want to save a worksheet to. In the File Name box, type a new name for file. Click Save.